Morning everyone, mabuhay. By the way, I am Richard P. Alboro. Today I would like to elaborate the 8 expert hazard. Number 1 is unnatural or awkward posture. Number 2 is repetitive motions. Number 3 is standing the same place for long time. Number 4, heavy loads balance. Number 5 is forceful use of hand muscles. Number 6 is slips, trips, and falls. Number 7 is burns. Number 8 is cuts and lacerations. Laceration.
An unnatural or awkward posture means putting your body in a comfortable or B position that may cause strain or pain, especially when done for a long time. To prevent unnatural awkward posture, keep your body straight, adjust your work height, change your position often to take short breaks to stretch. Repetitive motion, it means doing the same movement again and again for a long time. To prevent repetitive motion injuries, take breaks, change tasks often, and stretch your muscles. Standing in the same place for a long time, it means staying your feet without moving for a long period. To prevent this, move or stretch often, shift your body weight, and take some short breaks to sit or walk. Heavy loads balance, keep your body steady and even while floating or heavy object to avoid strain or injury. To prevent, use both hands to keep close to your hand's body. Bend your knees, not your back, out to avoid twisting while lifting. Forceful use muscles, using too much strength or pressure with your hand while you're working. To prevent, use proper tools, take breaks to avoid gripping too hard. Slip, trips, and fall when happen. A person loses balance because of wet floor, obstacles, and even a surface. To prevent slip, drops, and fall, keep floor clean and dry, remove obstacles, use good lighting, and wear non-slip shoes. Burns injury to skin or deeper tissue caused by heat, chemical, electrical, or radiation. To prevent burns, avoid direct contact with hot object flames. Use protective gear. Handle chemical carefully to keep hot liquid away from aged or children. Cuts and laceration. Injury where the skin or torn or cut by sharp object. To prevent, use protective gloves. Handle sharp tools carefully to keep work areas clean and safety.